Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make one of the most delicious meat curries from South India using goat meat. Goat meat is called mutton in India and hence this recipe is called South Indian Mutton Curry. It is a very spicy curry which originated in the Chettinad region of Tamil Nadu. For this recipe, I'll be using 1 kg goat meat along with 2 goat shanks weighing 900 grams, 300 grams chopped shallots, 1 cup shallot paste, 5 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 2 sliced large tomatoes, some curry leaves, some whole spices to make the masala powder, some dry red chilies of 3 different kinds. You can use just one type. 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and black peppercorns, some green cardamoms, some cloves, 1 star anise, 1 nutmeg and a few cinnamon sticks. In addition, I'll need these whole spices which will not be powdered. I'll also need a cup of dry roasted coconut. Let's begin by roasting the whole spices to make the masala powder. Make sure you don't burn the spices, so keep the flame low. Now it's time to grind the roasted spices into the Chettinad masala powder. And that's our ground masala powder. Take it out of the grinder and set it aside. Now it's time to grind the dry roasted coconut. So put it in the grinder along with 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Cover the grinder and grind the flakes into a fine powder as shown here. Let's begin cooking by heating some oil in a pressure cooker. Add the whole spices into the pot. Let them sizzle a bit and then add the chopped shallots into the pot. Fry them for 2 minutes. Then add some of the curry leaves into the pot and give them a stir. Then add the shallot paste into the pot. Mix it in and stir it about. Then add the ginger garlic paste and fry everything together for a couple of minutes. Then add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder and blend it in. Then add 3/4 of the masala powder into the pot and fry for 2 minutes. Then add the sliced tomatoes and fry them for 2 minutes. Now it's time to add the mutton pieces into the pot. As you can see, they are rather chunky, large pieces. Mix and fry everything well for 5 minutes. Then add the remaining masala powder into the pot along with some curry leaves and fry for a minute. Then add enough water to cook the meat. Scrape the bottom and the sides of the pot. Add salt according to your taste. Then cover the pressure cooker. Cook on full pressure but on low flame for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, let the pressure drop and open the cooker. Give everything a stir. Then add the ground coconut powder into the pot. Mix it in well. Then cover and cook for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, carefully open the lid. As you can see, our meat is tender and nicely cooked. Let's plate it up. Garnish with some chopped coriander leaves and serve with rice or pulaus. South Indian mutton curry is a hot, spicy, aromatic meat curry. It evokes the flavors of South India and is utterly delicious. It takes a bit of effort, but the result is worth it. Give it a try and enjoy.